Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a collapsible wagon by a company called Blomoba, and this is what it looks like when it is all ready to go. Now, they sent this over and it's absolutely perfect whether you are utilizing it for yard work or maybe you're going to the park or going to the beach and you want to save on doing lots of trips back and forth to your car. You can just load up this wagon, but when you're not utilizing it, it folds really easy. There's just a tab in the middle. Just pull that shut. And then it collapses, and then you just have to kind of close it with the handles. Very lightweight, easy to carry from one location to the next. When you're ready to basically open it up, just simply pull it apart, push in the bottom, and you're good to go. Now, when it's folded, it is 6 3/4 by 16.5 by 12 1/4. But when it is unfolded, it is 25 3/4, 16.5 by 18 1/4. So it does get a lot wider. Now, as far as the capacity of this thing, it holds about 90 liters. And obviously you can stack it up because it holds about 220 pounds. So it holds a lot of weight in there. And that's because it has a nice, strong, thick steel bottom. And then as you can see, it has the collapsible steel sides. Now, the fabric insert is made out of a nice waterproof Oxford fabric. So it is very hardy. It's not going to tear or puncture very easily. And it's 100% waterproof. So if it gets dirty, you get dirt in there, you're moving around potting soil, you can simply wash it down with a hose and you're good to go. It also does come out. There is Velcro on the sides. Simply undo those. You can remove the insert, and then you can use just the frame if you wish to move like gravel bags or something like that. You don't need the fabric. You can take it out. It's very, very flexible when it comes to that. Now, as far as the handle, it has just a nice, easy to grip plastic handle on the end. It is a height adjustable. So there's a little tab. Just simply press that in. That's how you're going to utilize it when it's collapsed. It's also great for size for kids, but for adults, just pull it forward up and it's nice, got a nice kind of height to it. Now, the front wheels are 360 degrees rotation. So it's very easy to maneuver around, and then the back wheels follow wherever the front ones go. They are textured wheels, so they're designed to go over multiple surfaces, whether you're taking this over grass, whether you're taking it over gravel, concrete, asphalt, dirt, sand. It's going to transverse all those materials very, very easily. The wheels are also made out of a thick kind of plasticky material, so they're not inflated. So you don't ever have to worry about having a flat tire or having to realize, oh crap, I didn't inflate them and now I have a flat tire. It's going to be hard to maneuver. That is a thing of the past. These are no air in them. They're ready to go. It does have a mesh bag in the front part. So if you are transporting any water bottles or you're doing yard work and you have a little insulated container, you can easily slide it in the front. So that way it stays separate from the main container and it's good to go. But overall, it's a nice little compact wagon. It's perfect for yard work, perfect for going out and about. Doesn't take up a lot of room in the garage. If you are in the market for a nice little collapsible wagon, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.